Good afternoon, Amington Heath. We're going to see who we have got as Amington aliens this week. On Wednesday, we had some visitors in school doing some videoing for a little advert that we're making, and it was really lovely to come around all the different classes and see the exciting things that you were doing and hear what you really love about Amington Heath and what makes it a special school. And when that video comes out, it'll be really exciting for us all to watch it and see ourselves famous on the TV. But this week we're going to see who has been picked out as being extra specially trying hard to be an Amington alien. So we're going to start with year 6, and we have got Caitlin. Caitlin has been an all-round Amington alien this week. Her writing and mini adventure has been a joy to read, and she's developing a wonderful author's voice. Well done, Caitlin. I'd like to see that writing if you want to bring it to me. And Dylan. Dylan has been an independent, determined and curious alien this week. He's tried really hard in mini adventures to include the features expected, and during computing and French, Dylan was able to ask questions to further his understanding. Well done, Dylan. And we've got them in a different order. I'm going to go to year 5. I have got Layla. Layla has shown an improved level of focus this week. She's worked hard to improve her handwriting and thought carefully about the content of her work. She's faced some challenging maths problems this week, but has tackled them with enthusiasm and made good progress. Well done, Layla. And Zeke. Zeke has had a smashing week. He's worked hard in all areas of the curriculum and been really resilient when faced with challenging maths problems. He's also really focused on his writing, trying his best to improve the quality and presentation of his work. Now, you are all set a challenge with your handwriting this half term, and over the next couple of weeks I'm going to be looking to see who's really improved it. I'm going to get that special Christmas treat I promised. So in Miss Hill's class, we've got a star of the week in Aston. Aston has made lots of progress this year. He's been trying really hard to listen and follow instructions, which is really showing in his work. The last couple of weeks, Aston has been trying hard to improve his presentation. His handwriting has made a big improvement. Well done, Aston. So you'll be heading towards that Christmas surprise. And Kyra. Kyra is an absolutely fantastic role model to all her peers. She is always responsible, respectful and ready to learn, meaning she is capable of some fantastic things. Well done. Keep it up, Kyra. True Amington alien there, Kyra. Well done. And then in Mrs. Lawrence's class, we have got Shay. You have been truly aspirational this week, Shay, especially in maths. A superb effort. Your fraction learning has really improved. Well done. And Sophie. Well done for being curious this week, Sophie. You have asked lots of excellent questions in our topic learning and made some fantastic links between ideas. Awesome work. Keep it up. Well done, Sophie. And in Miss Billingham's class, we have chosen Ellie. Ellie has been super determined in read writing this week. She has used her Fred fingers to thread and blend new words and has even started to use this in her writing. Well done, Ellie. And Fleur. Fleur has been a super aspirational alien this week. She has aimed high in all lessons and has worked quickly to move on to challenges. Fleur is a great role model. Well done. Well done, Fleur. And in Miss Pretty's class, we have got one for Cody. Cody has had a fantastic first week in reception. He settled straight into his new class and made lots of nice new friends. And I certainly saw that yesterday, Cody. It looks like you settled in really well. And John. John has been a determined alien this week. He has developed a have-a-go attitude and has been motivated to join in with group and independent activities. Well done, John. And in nursery, we have got Frankie. Frankie has been an aspirational alien and an excellent role model in the forest. He has joined in with all activities and challenged himself by climbing a tree. He also reflected back on his time in the forest by telling the adult, "I really enjoyed that." Well done, Frankie. And Jack. Jack has been a determined alien. He has grown in confidence and has gained a lot of self-belief. He's made a new friendship group and is happy to separate from adults. Well done, Jack. And in Little Learners, we have got a certificate for Maya. Maya has been making good choices and being responsible for her. And in Little Learners, we have Maya. Maya has been making good choices and being responsible for her actions. She's been playing an autumn lotto game and she did excellent turn taking with the other children. Well done, Maya. And Rosie May. Rosie May has been resilient and motivated to learn and can now put her coat on all by herself. Well done, Rosie. Fabulous. Lots and lots of Mington aliens around this week. So now for our planet points. So in fourth place, we have Green Team with 151. Red Team have 177. Yellow Team have 225. But in the lead this week are Blue Team with a huge 304 planet points. So well done, Blue Team. Now, it's nearing Christmas. Still a fair few weeks away, but it's that time now where people are starting to put up their Christmas decorations. And that's something that we're going to be doing in school over the next week or so. Now, a little while ago, we set you the challenge to buy some wooden dolly pegs and to decorate them to go on our Christmas tree. And we sent loads and loads home and we've made lots and lots of money for school, which is great. But we haven't had them all back. So if you haven't sent in your dolly peg that you've decorated, can you please bring it in on Monday so that we can put them in a box and leave them so they're nice and safe to go on our tree next week. So if you haven't got them yet, haven't brought them in yet, please bring them in on Monday. That gives you the weekend to finish off decorating any if you haven't finished yet. Okay? Have a lovely weekend and we will see you on Monday. Bye.